Presenting HDFC Asset Allocator Fund of Funds, an investment opportunity that empowers you with a systematic and process-driven approach to asset allocation. What is asset allocation? Asset allocation is the distribution of your investment across various asset classes according to your risk tolerance, risk appetite, and investment time frame. It helps reduce your portfolio risk by diversifying your investment into different asset classes. Why is asset allocation crucial? Each asset class behaves differently across different economic cycles. Hence, timing the market for various asset classes can be difficult. Different asset classes have different risk profiles. Historically, in a 23-year time horizon, equity returns have been relatively more volatile than returns from gold or debt. Thus, asset class winners change over time. Even within the same asset class, different market caps may perform at different times. Hence, no single asset class can ensure consistent returns. Asset allocation can help you here, as it reduces dependency on a single asset class to generate returns and reduces the volatility of portfolio returns. Presenting HDFC Asset Allocator Fund of Funds. HDFC Asset Allocator Fund of Funds is an open-ended fund of funds scheme investing in equity-oriented, debt-oriented, and gold ETF schemes. Equity allocation provides potential for growth. Debt allocation aims to provide stability, while gold allocation acts as hedge against currency depreciation and inflation. How will HDFC Asset Allocator Fund of Funds allocate its assets? HDFC Asset Allocator Fund of Funds will follow a systematic and process-driven approach for asset allocation. For this, the scheme will use a financial model which will indicate the percentage of equity allocation. The factors considered by the model include trailing 12 months price-to-earnings ratio, 1 year forward price-to-earnings ratio, trailing 12 months price-to-book value, earnings yield by GSEC yield. Allocation within equities is as shown here. The scheme will follow another financial model to indicate percentage allocation to mid-cap and small-cap stocks. Factors considered by the model include trailing 12 months price-to-earnings ratio, 1 year forward price-to-earnings ratio. But why HDFC Asset Allocator Fund of Funds? Asset Allocator Fund of Funds could be considered as an option to meet diversified asset allocation needs of investors. Would actively allocate assets with periodic review and rebalancing. Aims to generate better risk-adjusted returns. Attracts debt taxation with indexation benefits. NFO period from April 16, 2021 to April 30, 2021. Take a step forward to conquer volatility. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.